Today we're going to be assembling this furniture-style dog crate from the brand Feandrea. Now, I'm excited to get this set up, however, I'm a little nervous. I'm not too handy myself, so that was one of the things I was skeptical about when purchasing this is how hard is it going to be to assemble and how long is it going to take? So today my girlfriend and I are going to be putting this together to show you how easy it is and how long it takes. So let's get right to it. Like fully assembled. This actually blew my mind as to how easy and how quick it took us to put it together. Now granted, we did have a drill that we were using, so it probably sped things up a little bit, but this was super easy to put together as long as you have two people to kind of hold things in place while the other one screws it in. It flies by. We did get into trouble once in the instructions because we didn't realize we were building it intentionally upside down. That's what the instructions has you do, but we were just confused. We thought we were missing a piece because we didn't know where the top was, but it all ended up working out. Even with that little mental error right there, still flew by. It was super easy for two not so handy people to do. So if you are worried about getting this because you think the assembly is going to be bad, trust me, it's not. Everything is going to be okay.